Hello everyone! Today, I will demonstrate on how to create a formula using conditional formatting in Excel. So, what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting in Excel is a useful tool for visually analyzing data by applying specific formatting based on set rules. So, when working with students' quiz, it can automatically highlight results to show who passed or failed. So, by creating a formula, we can quickly identify scores that meet or fall below the passing grade. So, this makes evaluation easier, clearer, and more efficient.
Okay, so let's put students sa A. Kung sino ba yung mga estudyante na nag-take ng quiz. And then, scores. Siyempre, the scores that they've got sa quiz. And, sa C naman, ilalagay natin yung pass or fail. Dito natin malalaman kung yung mga estudyante is nakapasa ba sa quiz o hindi. Okay, ito yung mga estudyante na nag-take ng quiz and scores na nakuha nila. So, si Angela got 9, Berto got 6, Julie got 8, Jay got 7, Chrisil got 9, Enaline got 5, Carlo got 8, Mark got 6, and Carla also got 9. Dito naman sa pass or fail, so hindi natin siya directly ilalagay yung passed or failed. So, kaya gagamitin natin yung formula upang mas mapadali. Dito natin ma-identify or directly siyang lalabas kung nakapasa ba siya o hindi. Ngayon, ilalagay natin yung formula equals, let's just type IF, open parenthesis, and then click the scores that Angela got, then greater than 6. So, next is just comma, and then things like that. So, dito natin malalaman kung the students is passed. Directly siyang lalabas na passed, or kung failed siya, directly din lalabas yung failed. Then, close parenthesis, and then enter. So, yeah. So, as you can see, Angela is pass. So, makikita natin na si Angela is nakapasa, si Berto hindi, failed, Jolie failed, J passed, Crystal passed, Enaline failed, Carlo passed, Mark failed, and Carla passed. And now, let's drag this one and then click conditional formatting, then go to the new rule. So, pinipili ko yung use a formula na datuhan, and then we need to put the equals B2 greater than 6, then click the format and click the fill. So, I choose the color blue. So, okay. Then, okay na then. So, as you can see, so those students who passed is highlighted as color blue. Now, let's proceed to the failed naman. Let's click again the conditional formatting, and then click the highlight cells rules, and then click the text that contains. So, ilalagay na lang natin kung ano yung gusto nating ma-highlight. So, gusto nating i-highlight yung field. So, let's put failed. So, lumalabas na yung kulay, diba? Kulay red. So, now, meron kang pagpipilian dito. So, yung pinipili ko is light red full. So, ito yung pinipili kong kulay. And then, click OK. So, as you can see, it is much easier to do. We can see that those students who have passed highlighted blue and those students who have failed highlighted red.
Using conditional formatting with formulas provides a simple yet powerful way to track students' performance. It helps highlight passing and failing scores at a glance, reducing manual checking. So, with this method, we can save time while ensuring accuracy in evaluating results. So, it supports better decision making in monitoring students' progress. Thank you for watching.